I've taken out my Invisalign.
And this is the album.
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe. Did you watch my vlogs? Probably not, but I'm here with an actual video that I haven't done since I was like 16. So as you can tell from the title, this is an Invisalign review. Thrilling. I'm gonna hop right into it. I just finished my treatment like 3 weeks ago. And the reason why I got them, honestly, was just because I was really curious. I always heard about Invisalign, I thought I couldn't afford Invisalign. I just one day booked a consultation, walked in, wanted to hear what they had to say, and sure enough, they were like, we can do it in 6 months. And I was like, no way, okay. And so, I got it. My teeth weren't that bad, but I had a really crooked bottom teeth, and then I also had an overbite. My whole family had an overbite, so every time I modeled, my mouth low-key like parted, and I had this like weird buck tooth sticking out, and I was just like not about it. But I walked in, they said, hey, it's gonna be 6 months, which actually turned into 10 months. You can pay in full on the day of your consultation, get $1,000 off. I had really good orthopedic insurance. I was like, sign me up, sir. I have one baby tooth still. I know, I'm 20, I still have a baby tooth. It's right here. So my bite was off, and so this was like gonna improve my chewing skills. So we're gonna get into some juicy stuff. Kissing, dating, going out, what people think. Honestly, people don't care. However, I did learn that if you're kissing someone and you bite their tongue with your trays on, I guess it's a lot softer. PSA. People are not as grossed out as you would think about it. You just don't put it next to their food and don't take it out with saliva dripping. Some people say that you have to like, that was never my experience. I just took it out and it was fine. I did get really self-conscious when I started going out, and so I would always put them in my pocket instead of my tray because I didn't want, not the tray, but I wouldn't bring my case. And that wasn't necessarily a good thing. I should have probably brought something like a purse, but I didn't, and so I left them in my pocket, and then I actually lost them one time. I lost my jacket and my Invisalign was in there. Luckily, the next day I had to change them, so I just like swapped them out. You're supposed to have them in 22 hours a day, but if you're going out, that could be like upwards to 6 hours at a time, so that's probably not the best, but my teeth turned out fine, so. As regards to lipstick, the lipstick I have now is kind of the one I wear all the time, like a Kat Von D liquid lip or Bare Minerals liquid lip. I'll put that on before I put my Invisalign in, and then I can put a lip gloss on top and it won't necessarily get onto my teeth, but if I put a regular lipstick or if I put a liquid lip with the Invisalign still in, it would like get all over them, and it's like not a good look, not a good look. People, honestly, when you have them in, like people don't really notice the attachments, even though they're like these things that stick out. They're honestly really pretty much invisible. They're like the same color as your teeth, but the attachments do turn your teeth yellow, I've learned, because you're eating and like doing all these things and like putting them back in. So it's gonna start to change your teeth, but don't worry, when you get them off, you can whiten them. I wouldn't whiten your teeth with the attachments in, because once they shave it off, it's gonna be like different colors, if that makes sense. As regards to iced coffee, this is one thing that I was really nervous about and skeptical about because I drink coffee constantly. I asked them what to do with drinks, and they said if it's hot, take them out, obviously. If it's cold, you can have a straw. But don't let them fool you, because I did this and it changed all of my trays yellow. Not a good look. Only drink water with it in. I would say honestly just take them out. Drink takes like 15 to 20 minutes to drink. It's not gonna kill ya. On top of eating and stuff, it's fine. Just, I would say take them out, drink it, and then enjoy yourself. Don't have yellow trays. As for the cost, I mentioned this before, but honestly, I thought it was a lot more expensive, and I thought it was gonna be more expensive than braces, which is why I never got Invisalign in the first place. But I would say go to the consultation. You can get so much off. They have payment plans, and then also check with your if you have orthopedic insurance. That's a huge thing. Wait, orthopedic or orthodontic? What? Orthopedic is feet. I've been saying orthopedic insurance this whole time. Okay, orthodontist insurance, I don't know, but CV insurance. Wow. Things to know. Ding, ding, ding. You're supposed to brush your teeth every time you put them back in. Who has time for that? You're doing your thing, you're having your day. I always just put mine back in, but I wish someone told me when I first got them. I didn't learn this until until I was like a month out from being done. Bring a little bag with you, girls especially, a floss, maybe like the flossers that have a pick, mouthwash is a little excessive, but like gum and a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, I would never brush my teeth in public. I don't know why, that's just weird to me and that's gross to me, but definitely mouthwash and like just something to kind of sanitize them, because especially the floss. I always had freaking crap stuck in my teeth, always, from the attachments, and it was so embarrassing and I could never get it out, and it was like I'd be digging in with my nails, and at the time I didn't have acrylics, and it was just like so frustrating. Wow, traumatic time for me. These are what the trays look like. They have the little buttons for the attachments on the sides, and they like really sculpt your teeth. They sit on there. These ones fit right now. I wear these at night because my retainer broke. They don't smell. People say they smell, and honestly, unless you're eating onions and shellfish and like garlic all the time, I really don't see how you'd run into this problem. So like, just be careful, I guess, like with what you're eating and putting them back in. Like if you really have food stuck in your teeth, don't pop them back in. I don't know. As for cleaning the trays, so this is what they look like. So the best thing, honestly, you can buy like a denture cleaner type thing. I never did that, but I would brush them with my toothbrush, pump of mild soap, and then just like clean it with the toothbrush. I was really anal when I first started. I don't know what happened. I stopped getting so anal about it because I didn't want cavities, stuff like that, but that's how you clean them. The question, do they hurt? Yes. The first month was very painful. I had a lisp. It was amazing. I was in so much pain, and so I would pop Advil. I'd pop Advil every time I put a new tray in when I would go to sleep, so at least the worst of the pain would be over, and then I also would have an Advil if it was really bad. When I first got them in, my first tray, or maybe the second one, I went to Tito's Tacos in Venice. I ate a crunchy taco and some chips. Boy, let me tell you how badly it hurt. They're really expensive, so keep track of them. Oh my gosh, to keep track of them. It's like $500 for a place. 2 little pieces of plastic. $500. I don't know about you, but I don't have that money to spend. One time I was in Italy, obviously not in America, to like come back to my orthodontist, and I thought I lost them. No, I did lose them. We were in Italy and we woke up and I like took them out when I was drinking my coffee and like doing my makeup or something, and then we left in a hurry. And we're driving in Tuscany randomly, and I like made my dad stop the car and turn around and go back, and I ran up to the dude, didn't speak any English, some old guy who's like cleaning up my room, and I was like, I lost my teeth, help me find my teeth. And he's like, what? Because I don't know how to translate. Honestly, I'm speaking English, saying I lost my teeth. He could speak barely any English. I don't speak Italian. I'm trying to like look all over the floor. I'm on my hands and knees looking for these little pieces of plastic, and I found them. Bless, I found them. But it would have been really bad. The rest of the trip would have sucked because I would have been without a tray. Also, I was there for 3 weeks, so I wouldn't have had anything in my teeth. I would have had so much movement, paid another $500, had a rescan. It would have been a nightmare. After I got the attachments off, they hurt really bad because they have to like drill them off, and it gets rid of some of your enamel, and it's not really the most pain-free thing you can go through. So my thoughts, I got Pronamel toothpaste, which you also could do like Sensodyne, and get a soft bristle toothbrush, and then that kind of repaired it in honestly like a week. So Aftercare is that. This is the retainer. I will show you. Looks like this. Looks exactly like the Invisalign, but it's like less structured, or like it's just like more generic. This is like flat versus this is like super like curvy bottom, and they sit on your teeth fine. It's super smooth and it's thicker material. Yeah, but I actually broke it because I was biting down on my teeth for some reason, like grinding them, and it like broke down the middle. So I have been wearing my old trays to bed because I'm like nervous of getting like a gap in between my teeth. I don't know. Overall, I'm so happy with Invisalign. I'm so happy I went through with it. My teeth look amazing now. I still have yet to get them whitened, but they're still like doing their thing. I am so much more confident in my smile and talking to people, and now making YouTube videos, watching how I used to like talk. My disgusting snaggle teeth just really grossed me out for some reason. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna be putting out more videos soon, so stay tuned for those. I'm gonna try and get this channel up and running again, but thank you, have a good one, bye. Shimmy down, bang, bang, shimmy down, bang, bang. Shimmy down, bang, bang, shimmy down, bang, 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 bang.